This factory produces 150 million pencils every year. From raw lumber to finished writing tools, it starts with incense cedar wood, chosen for its straight grain and smooth texture. Each delivery undergoes wood enters massive kilns where controlled heat gradually reduces moisture over 3 days. Advanced sensors
Industrial planers transform rough lumber into smooth, precisely dimensioned slats. Multiple spinning.
Creating the graphite core is precise science. Graphite powder mixes with clay in exact ratios. More clay.
The mixture is forced through tiny dies under tremendous pressure, extruding continuous graphite cores.
Cores travel through kilns reaching 1200 degrees Celsius. This intense heat transforms fragile graphite into hard, durable.
Specialized machines carve perfectly semicircular grooves into each slat. Every groove must be exactly sized and positioned to hold graphite cores securely.
Computer-controlled nozzles dispense exact amounts of adhesive. Robotic systems then place fired graphite.
A matching slat presses onto the cores, forming the pencil sandwich. Hydraulic presses apply precise force.
Multi-blade saws separate individual pencils. Shaping machines cut 6 flat faces simultaneously.
Both ends are trimmed to exact length with perfectly square cuts. Sanding smooths all surfaces. High-speed cameras and
Painting begins with primer that seals the wood. Automated spray systems apply even coats while pencils rotate.
Color coats bring pencils to life. Whether classic yellow, vibrant red, or natural finish, pencils receive multiple.
clear protective top coat seals the colored surface. Polishing wheels buff the finish to smooth, glossy perfection. Brand identification uses hot foil stamping. Heated dies press thin metallic foil into painted surfaces with precision.
Metal ferrules are stamped from aluminum and formed into cylindrical bands. Automated systems attach them to pencil ends. Crimping creates secure mechanical grip.
Erasers made from synthetic rubber mixed with pumice are extruded and cut into plugs. Automated systems insert them into ferrule.
Every pencil undergoes rigorous testing. Automated cameras inspect appearance. Lasers verify dimension. Counting systems group pencils into sets, dozens for standard boxes, gross quantities for bulk packs, or specialized assortments for art sets.
Automated lines assemble boxes from flat blanks, fill them with counted pencils, and seal securely.
Different products need different packaging. Standard pencils receive functional boxes. Art pencils get premium presentations.
Retail packages group into shipping cartons. Robotic palletizers stack them efficiently on pallets. Stretch wrapping secures loads for transits.
The warehouse stores finished products in optimal conditions. Digital tracking locates every pallet. Loading docks operate.
Modern manufacturing relies on comprehensive data. Every batch is documented from raw materials through finished product.
Environmental responsibility guides production. Wood waste becomes fuel. Emissions are treated. Solar panel.
Innovation drives improvement. Researchers test new graphite formulations for better writing performance.
Colored pencils follow similar manufacturing but use wax-based cores with vibrant pigments instead of graphite.
Art pencils demand premium materials. Wider hardness ranges serve different techniques. Hard H grades create fine standards.
Carpenter pencils feature flat, rectangular shapes that prevent rolling on sloped surfaces. Oval graphite cores and
Mechanicals represent precision engineering. Spring-loaded mechanisms advance thin graphite leads with each click. Refillable design eliminates sharpening while maintaining consistent line width.
Jumbo pencils help young children learn to write. Thicker diameter and triangular shape encourage proper grip. Larger cores resist breaking under pressure from developing motor skills.
Eco-friendly innovations include pencils made from recycled newspaper, biodegradable materials, and even plant.
Pencils have evolved over 5 centuries. From crude graphite sticks to precision manufacturing. From this factory, pencils travel worldwide. Students, artists, engineers, and carpenters across.
In classrooms worldwide, pencils remain essential learning tools. From first letters to complex mathematics, pencils help.
Office professionals value pencils for quick notes, document markup, and brainstorming. No batteries, no... Artists prize pencils as fundamental tools. The full hardness range enables techniques from delicate highlights to deep shades. Technical professionals depend on pencils for precision work. Architects draft plans, engineer,
surveillance. Number 2 pencils are essential for standardized testing worldwide. Their specific graphite hardness creates marks darken. A seemingly simple pencil contains remarkable complexity. Multiple wood layers surround precisely centered.
Sharpening transforms blunt pencils into precise writing instruments. Manual or electric sharpeners remove wood and graphite.
Pencil performance varies by hardness grade. Hard pencils create light, fine lines.
A single pencil can write 35 miles of continuous line or 45,000 words. With proper care and sharpening, one pencil
can say. 300 skilled workers ensure consistent quality. Machine operators, quality inspectors, maintenance technicians, and
This facility produces 1.5 million pencils yearly. That's over 400,000 FP. The pencil industry supports extensive supply chains. From forestry to retail, thousands of jobs. Modern manufacturing minimizes environmental impact. Sustainable forestry replants trees. Wood waste is recycled. Innovation continues evolving the humble pencil. Future designs may include digital capture.
pencil collecting attracts enthusiasts worldwide. Vintage brands, limited editions, and specialty designs hold.
Pencils have even traveled to space. Early astronauts use them because they work in zero gravity and extreme conditions.
Pencils transcend mere tools, becoming cultural icons. The yellow pencil symbolizes creativity.
Rigorous certifications ensure quality. ISO standards guide manufacturing processes. Environmental certifications.
Despite digital alternatives, pencils remain irreplaceable. No batteries, no charging, no technical failures.
Continuous improvement drives excellence. Lean manufacturing principles, advanced automation, and employee input.
Corporate responsibility extends beyond production. Pencil donations to schools, education partnerships, and literacy programs. From raw wood to finished pencil, every stage demonstrates precision manufacturing. Hundreds of workers and
From humble wooden beginnings to sophisticated manufacturing, pencils remain essential tools for communication.